Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's your girl here, Kuuks, and today we are going to learn how to put on your foundation. Very basic, simple steps. Usually I would use this and my wipes to clean my face if I'm about to start with my makeup. And if you don't have any of them, you could get a wipe. These are the wipes that you can use to wipe your face before you get your foundation on your face. And then some people, there are two things that people do use. Some people use the brush, others use the beauty sponge. So I'm going to show you both ways on how to achieve this flawless look. So let's get started. Since I have my face already cleaned up, I'm going to apply my primer or my moisturizer, but I'm going to do just moisturizer today. Make sure I have enough under my nose. Now, because I want my moisturizer to settle well on my face, I will now go in with use this opportunity to take care of yourself. And I'm using a Vaseline. Some people use the setting spray to wet their sponge, whilst others use, I'm going to be using this simple drugstore foundation. This is Marbelline, and this is Mocha and Warm Coconut. So these are the two foundation. I mix it up, so you can do that. If you don't want to mix up because it's going to be difficult, I'm going to place this over here and then I'll get it done. Now some people can use either the brush or the sponge, whichever works for you, or you can use both of them. You can either wet your sponge with a setting spray if you want to. This is the brand I use. Or you can just get a cup of water, wet your sponge in here, and squeeze all the water out. Once you squeeze the water out, you get a tissue, and then you try to take the excess water out. And this is what I have done basically, and what I've done here, because I'm going to be using the sponge. I like to work with both the sponge and then the brush. So that's what you would do. Now let's get started with mixing our foundation. Get a little bit of the caramel. This has a yellow undertone. I'm gonna add this is the mocha. I'm gonna place that here too. Usually I do a lot of mixing just to get my shade. So now that, as I said, you could either use a brush as your foundation, like to apply your foundation, and you can also use the beauty blender sponge, but you need to wet it and make it soft. You can either wet it with water, which I'll prefer, that's what I usually do, or you can use the setting spray if that's what you want. Right now what I'm doing is to mix it up and get the shade that I want. So I then dab in my brush like that, and then start on the balls here. Bring it down. You dab, you bring it down. Now, did you see I put on a lot of makeup on my face, but you realize that when I started using the beauty blender, most of the makeup is soaked in. Try to work on the back of your ears and your neck. It's very important. And now you're going to have flawless. And all I was doing was just dab, 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 dab. Just dab. Very simple, step by step, and just follow. That's it. So all I'm doing is just dab, 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 dab. And now you could tell the difference. So you can either apply just a brush, but it's how well you use your techniques, or you can use the brush, pick up the foundation, the amount you want, and use that, and you can wet your brush, and all you have to do is to dab it and give you a finishing look. Voila. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this simple application step by step